finally, we got the brand new Toyota Tundra, guys. Front grille reminds me of the transition of the Dodge Chargers to their new look. Kind of looks like a giant fish mouth, but looks good. Beefy tires on there. Look at the wheels. Very nice headlight. Definitely looks a little bit closer to a Chevy Silverado, proportions wise and stuff. But look at those TRD wheels and tires. Good, man. Looks good. Also got a bit of a fender flare going on there. Looks good. Looks good. Tail light. Ooh. Okay. I like the tailgate. I wasn't really sure what I was going to think about it looking at it in person, but I like the tailgate. Look at that. Looks pretty beefy. Got little steps there that can come out. So that's nice to know. Looks good. Then the nice little fender flares right there to get a little more aggressive look. Nice step. Let's see here. Kind of a high step, not too bad though. Really nice front end though. Looks really good. And TRD right there on the little panel as well. Nice. I like it. I'm pretty sure you cannot. Yeah, it's a prototype, so nothing getting into the interior, but it looks really good. Nice looking truck.